In this lesson, I will explain to you about Home tab and Editing group. So this is the Home tab, and you can see the last one is the Editing group. In Editing group, we have Find, Replace, and Select. So we will learn few features today. First of all, I will explain to you when we should use the Find button. Suppose if you have a document consists of 15 pages or 20 pages or 25 pages and so on. And if you have written some specific word or a specific phrase or any idiom in that document and you are looking for, so definitely it is time consuming to go through all the pages and find out where you have written that phrase or comment or idiom. So at this point, you have to click the Find button. So click on the Find button, then you will see the navigation pane will come up here. This is called the navigation pane. And here, suppose we are looking for the word detailed, right? This is the same paragraph I have copied it here so you can understand better. So suppose I am looking for the word detail. So wherever it will find detail in the word document, it will be highlighted. See here, and you can see here the results. There are 7 results, means there are 7 times detail in our document. So this is the function of find. Now suppose if you want to replace this detail with another suitable word according to your document, then you have to click replace. Instead of find, you can directly go to the replace. Here you can write down find what and then replace with. So we say okay, detail, and the synonym of detail is thorough. So I say, okay, wherever, because in our document we have 7 times the word detail. So I said replace with thorough and replace all. I will click on replace all. The message comes all done. We made 7 replacements. Okay. And then close. So you will see now that wherever we had the word detail, now is thorough, thorough, and thorough. This is for the home and replace. One more function, go to the replace function. This is find, replace, and go to. Click and go to, then I will explain to you. See, suppose if you want to go, we have 3 pages or 4 pages. In this document, we have 3 pages. If I click on page and here enter 3, if I click 3, go to, see, I am on page number 3. This one. One more time, replace and then go to. See, in go to we have different features: page, section, line, bookmark, comment, footnote. So in this document we have 2 footnote. One is on page number 1 and second is on page number 2. But suppose in page number 2 you forget or it's difficult to find out where you have written 2. So go to the click on footnote and enter footnote number. Suppose I am looking for 2, click on 2 and go to and close. So see, my insertion point is blinking, my pointer is blinking on page 2, comment this one. And when I bring my pointer here, it will, the explanation is on the top, explanation at the bottom. So this is my footnote. This is my another footnote, but in the document where is one, go here, go to, and then footnote. Here I will say 1. So go to and close. So see, now is here. So we have learned find, replace, go to, and then again here I am explaining you one more time that if you need the synonym of any word, right? Synonym means same meaning. Suppose if I click on the footnote and I will see, okay, what is the other meanings of footnote, note, annotation, cross-reference, appendix, and so on. If you see that note is fine according to your document, you can change it. Just like click on this offers, right click. First you have to bring your insertion point, your pointer here, right click, and this is the synonym. Synonym means same meaning. So here are the proposals, suggestions, bids. These are the bargains. Different meanings are here. Which bids or proportions, right? If I say I do not like anything, so just close it and come on the thorough here. Thorough here is full, detailed, systematic, right? Again, suppose if you want full information or detailed information, suppose I need detail, click on the detail. So it is detailed. Now you can change it. This is called the synonym, how you can change the synonym. If you have any question related to home tab and editing group, please write down in the comment section, and thank you so much.